My heart went.
Oops, yeah. My heart just got stuck between these loops. My mind got stuck in between these groups. They don't want me, but it's okay. Now my heart knows how to stay away.
Right now it's like 2 in the morning and I can't make a lot of noise because I don't